Hi guys, I'm Hartmut, Head of Interior Design at Mercedes-Benz. Today I'd like to talk about the development of the interior design of the new S-Class. Well, our goal was nothing less than taking our customers into a completely new world of luxury. But how are we going to achieve this next to a new touchscreen? Well, our design philosophy, Sensual Purity, has been a great help because we always combine contrasts with a lot of tension and harmony. In the new S-Class, our most dominant element is the new big touchscreen. It stands up beautifully from the center console and does not connect with the dashboard. So this creates a lot of tension. On the other side, the surface treatment of the dashboard has been inspired by this high-tech element being just slightly curved two-dimensionally and wrapping down below the screen. So this creates a lot of harmony. But also small details, like for example this seat adjuster, have been designed with all the attention to detail and also bring the design philosophy to life. Now, thanks to high technology again, we were able to form this out of one block and give the customer a great experience, not only through the detailing with a nice pyramid structure, but also because of the fact that this has become a high-tech element. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Take care.
Hi there. My name is Dirk and I'd like to talk to you about what we at Mercedes-Benz have done once again to raise the level of the S-Class when it comes to luxury and well-being. As luxury is a result of countless little details, I'd like to talk to you about three categories, almost three philosophies that help us since decades to create out of the S-Class the pinnacle of luxury. First, master the invisible components of luxury. Our customers in our car want to hear and to feel exactly nothing. We want to master something we call NVH, noise, vibration, harshness, and we invest countless hours to optimize this. But also, for the first time in a large-scale production, we put acoustic foam in our car to make sure that noise is even reduced and as well the vibration. Second, listen to your customers and never stop improving what you already have. Take something as common as the heated seats. We already now in today's S-Class are heating the armrests, but our customers told us they want more, so we heat the vertical panels in the doors above the armrests. And we also heat the ever so famous Kuschelkissen on the rear headrest. Third, keep innovating in the area of luxury well-being. We created a bundle of energizing features to add the well-being to the pure luxury. With energizing comfort control, we combine light, fragrancing, massage, and many other things into a fit and healthy experience. To really get across this feeling of luxury in our car is virtually impossible in this format, so I really hope you can all experience this by yourselves. And once you do, you'll remember this, and you now know it's not a coincidence, but an S-Class. Thank you so much for watching.
Everyone. My name is Belinda Günther, and together with you, I would like to take a closer look to the beautiful design elements that we created for the future S-Class interior. Here you see a couple of exhibits that are pretty close to what you're going to see in the future S-Class interior, but not exactly yet. In these combinations, you see a wide range of different characters of a couple of beautiful color combinations that we created especially for that product. This is one of my favorite. It's a wooden surface inspired by the deck of yachts, and we combined a high-quality open-port walnut with real aluminium inlays, and they follow perfectly the shape, are tailored especially for this car. So going to the next beautiful and really important element, to the seats, I would like to mention that these seats are created especially for the new S-Class. So also from a beauty point of view, we created them with a lot of attention to detail and a lot of love and passion. They not just look good, they also have a really clever function. They are offering a high standard of control, comfort and seat climate. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you will be able to experience our new product by yourself very soon.
Hey Mercedes, play my favorite song.
This is the new welcome. You'll see that startup animation welcomes you with a calming star pattern. The familiar Mercedes environment now uses a deep 3D effect with the highest aesthetics. The exclusive mode exudes pure luxury and is specific to the new S-Class. We also created visuals for our sporty-oriented customers, like the performance look you see here. Of course, we also offer a minimalistic look. We use the absolute reduction for the understated mode, simplification at its purest level. When it comes to operation, intuitive is the key word. Informative content and driving functions are easily accessible with a vertical, simple swipe on the touchpad and the steering wheel. And a horizontal swipe calls up a new screen. Here we see the car's many assistance systems in a dynamic 3D environment. All systems are shown on one screen with less distraction, but with the most useful and important information to support safe driving. We are proud to be the first to market with a head-up display with augmented reality functionality. Using this system, driving relevant content is projected alongside the actual driving environment you see through the windshield. For example, clear animated arrows show where to turn. When the arrow fans out, you just follow its direction. It was never easier to navigate. For the first time in a Mercedes, we designed the head unit in a portrait format with ergonomic and intuitive touch operation. What you see is what you get. And as you can see, all icons and text are neatly structured. All settings are clearly marked and can be adjusted in a second to ensure a safe and comfortable driving experience. And of course, you can configure this to your preferences. The app grid is clear and easy to read, and it is also customizable. Without leaving the navigation screen, you can switch between the apps with just a swipe. Above all, high-quality renderings and clear settings ensure an intuitive and emotional user experience.
Hey Mercedes, how may I help you?
I'm tired.
You should take a break at the next suitable place. Until then, I'll turn on the Vitality program.
Hello everybody, my name is Thomas Helmuth and I'm here at our Mercedes Test and Technology Center in Immendingen. My colleague Tommy and I are about to show you one of the many new safety features of the upcoming S-Class. For this demonstration we are focusing on the feature Pre-Safe Impulse Sight, working together with the optional e-Active Body Control. So both systems I just mentioned work in tandem to reduce the risk of an injury when another car hits the S-Class broadside. Of course, we want to keep Tommy safe, and that's why we are using a special target vehicle. Please, don't try this at home. So let's get the car ready and run the test. We'll put Tommy into position. Now, the target is about to approach our new S-Class right here from the side. Radar sensors can recognize the impending side collision and send a signal to the control unit. And now, our e-Active Body Control air suspension lifts the entire S-Class body by up to 8 centimeters. This, of course, depends on the triggering time and on the setting of the chassis during normal driving conditions. The approaching car is identified, and then the S-Class is quickly lifted. Now, at a greater height, a larger part of the impact energy can be absorbed by the sill instead of the doors, so that the deformation of the side can be reduced. Passengers in both the front and rear seats can benefit from this function. And that's not all. The chassis lift function works together with Pre-Safe Impulse Sight. With Pre-Safe Impulse Sight, a rapidly inflating air cushion in the seat pushes the driver or front passenger on the affected side towards the center of the vehicle, right before a side crash. And of course, it doesn't matter whether such a critical crash situation happens left or right. The air cushions are integrated in both front seats. With features like these, we can further increase the level of safety no matter where you sit. I'm sure Tommy also appreciates this. So, looks like everything is fine. Right, Tommy? Thanks for watching and stay safe.
Hello everyone, welcome to our proving ground here in Immendingen. We are here to show you a few of the ways in which we made the best car in the world even better. Jürgen, from what I've seen so far, your engineering team really did a great job.
What we did is, we integrated a rear axle steering feature that makes the S-Class one of a kind.
All right.
Depending on the speed and the steering wheel angle, the rear wheels move in the same or opposite direction of the front wheels. Above 60 km per hour, the wheels are steered in the same direction, which leads to more stability. Below 60 km per hour, the rear wheels move to the opposite direction. This results in more agility and also makes the car easier to steer. Thanks to the rear axle steering, the turning radius is reduced significantly by up to 2 meters. It's now comparable to that of the A-Class.
Now that's a pretty small turning radius for such a large car. But what does this mean? What is the real-life benefit?
I can show you. The rear wheel steering also makes parking the new S-Class super convenient, with a steering angle of the rear axle of up to 10 degrees.
Wow, seems like the S-Class has all the boxes checked in the agility category. Now, can I drive? Can I give it a shot, Jürgen?
You should probably use the active parking assistance.
Ah, Jürgen, you never trusted my parking. Wow, you guys went all out. The new S-Class really has all the bases covered.
Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this little insight into the ease of parking and driving with the new S-Class.
Take care, see you soon, and always drive safely.